What is up, guys? In this video I'll kind of be updating you about where I stand in the quarantine kind of thing that's going on, as well as some shop upgrades. Got to clean the shop up, as well as some stuff for the Beetle since it's been a while, as well as where this little guy stands right now. He's kind of quarantining himself, so let's see. This is a 25 foot by 28 foot shop that is behind my house. My house has a garage as well, and then I have this shop in the back. So this is a 25 by 28. Don't know how many square foot that is. I don't know, forget. But either way, 25 by 25. It's like 600 square feet, maybe, I don't know. So this guy has been, it was built on the cheap, you can kind of tell. I didn't put this shop in, the last people did. And the way that they did this was, it was kind of like just a carport, and then they basically studded and framed it all. You can kind of see some of the inner carport, but needless to say, this weird insulation they put on here is just like coming down, things like that. So I need to kind of clean it up because it's just been sitting. I haven't really been doing any work in here. Honestly, for this whole quarantine thing, I've been working, coming home, working, coming home. On the weekends, I try to stay in, kind of. I do have a bad tendency to want to just go outside, which is fine. Just going around others is not good. But so see that little daylight thing? It looks huge on camera. It's really like this tiny crack in the wood where the sheets meet on the outside. It was not like that when we had first bought the house. Actually, the shop used to be bigger, and then it didn't meet code, so they had to push the shop back because it was too close to my house out there. So they did it kind of real bad, but I'm gonna just go and put some side trim on the outside of the shop to cover that up. There's a couple spots in the roof where they had spray foamed them, but you can see kind of, so I would like to get that straightened up, and then also just clean the shop and whatever else. What is up, guys? Just want to briefly interrupt the video to tell you, or to thank you, that we hit 600 subscribers. That's kind of crazy. I remember hitting 20 or 30 and freaking out, running to my wife, running to my parents, telling them, all my friends, that I hit that. Because just imagining that many people in front of you is really weird. Imagining 600 of you in front of me is super weird. You've been along for the ride watching me do weird crap to cars, even though, I mean, it's been all crazy. It's been crazy so far. Anyways, we have made a bunch of Shade Tree Garage stickers. It is the logo shape, it is not the square. And to just kind of show our appreciation, we do want to give some of these away. I want to do 5 giveaways of 2 or 3 stickers a piece. I'll pay for all expenses, everything to you. Doesn't matter where you live. But in order to do it, you need to comment on the video, be subscribed, and please like the video. If you can do that, then I'll be glad to give tons of these things away to you guys. Okay, so the drawing will be on May 22nd. We'll pick your comments. Out of your comments, I'll use a random generator to figure out who's going to what. Hopefully there's plenty of comments. I never ask for comments. I never ask for subscriptions really, or likes or anything, but I would like to get in the habit of at least saying, if you do like the video, please like the video. as well as subscribe for more content. I'll be doing all kinds of weird stuff, ranging in all kinds of different content ranges on vehicles and all that crap. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you for following this journey. Thank you for being part of it, and I really appreciate you and look forward to the future.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.